In real life, the E25 shines. It handled my mix of tile entryway, living room rug, and hardwood path to bedrooms without a hitch. Cleaning cycles took around 45 minutes for mid-sized areas, and the suction never wavered. On hard floors, even fine grit seemed banished. On carpets, it didn't just skim the surface, it went deep. Emptying and refilling became almost invisible. The base station auto-emptied, refilled, cleaned, and dried the mop. Busy mornings felt more peaceful knowing the bot could take care of itself. The app-driven mapping was smooth, and I could define no-go zones or different suction levels. A nice flexibility without diving into overcomplicated controls. In darker corners, I'm still testing obstacle avoidance, but I haven't had any major stuck incidents yet. Compared to pricier alternatives like Dream X50 Ultra Complete that offer UV sanitation and stair climbing legs, the E25 isn't quite as robust, but it packs exceptional everyday cleaning power for its mid-range price.